Hello everyone. iOS 17 is finally here, and it brings in a bunch of exciting features. Among them, the one that has caught everyone's attention is the function, StandBy. You can use your iPhone as a smart display or nightstand. So in today's video I'll show you guys on how to enable it. First, make sure your device is running iOS 17. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap StandBy. Now tap and enable the toggle for StandBy at the top. Next, tap and enable the toggle for night mode. Connect your iPhone to power via MagSafe or lightning cable. And place your iPhone in landscape orientation on a stationary surface. Now you are in standby mode. If you want to customize standby mode interface, long press or swipe up, down. Tap the minus icon on the top left corner of a widget to remove it. Or tap the plus icon on the top left corner of the screen to choose and add a new widget. Tap Done in the top right corner to confirm your changes. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.